This is Santa's workshop in here. Since they closed Dar Castle, they used the old Dar Castle for the Santa Claus meet and greet. Thank you. Hello, hello.
Welcome to Santa's workshop. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Right this way. That's right, this way to see Santa.
All right, thank you.
Welcome.
I can imagine the bride
Hello again.
Hello again.
Welcome to the Winter Wonderland.
All right. Wow. It's Santa's workshop.
Yeah.
See my sleigh in the enchanted forest?
I did.
That's my little one. You know, sometimes the children look at it and they're afraid because it looks too small for all the gifts.
Uh-huh.
But I use that with one reindeer only.
One reindeer?
To go
Oh.
get the ingredients for cookies and the trims for the dolls.
All right.
And did you see the toy nutcrackers just
Yes.
outside the door?
I did.
Those are the ones Santa has not made alive yet.
Oh, okay.
I have some live ones. Come and see.
All right. Thank you.
Here we go.
Don't film the cleaning.
Oh, no peeking.
Oh, thank goodness, I misheard. I need to clean my ears, obviously. Oh, I know, it says no peeking. That means everybody
It does.
We are ready for you.
Santa is ready.
All right.
Right?
This is awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, you can even write letters and everything too, and put the mail.
Look at all the letters.
All right. Merry Christmas.
And a very Merry Christmas to you too.
Everything.
Like this one.
Hello.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you.
Have a good time.
Thank you. There's the big man.
Hello.
All right.
It's good to see you. I
Hello.
like the flashing lights on your hat.
You do? Well, thank
very
you.
nice.
He doesn't like them.
No?
Can you bring me some more for Christmas?
Eye-catching, no? And you're wearing a nice red shirt, my favorite color.
Yeah.
So we're doing well.
This is awesome. We haven't been to your workshop.
Well, welcome to the North Pole.
I mean, how awesome is that?
Great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's do it here.
Wow, I did not expect that.
Oh, this is great.
They added this last year. Santa used to be over in Rhinefield, and that was where you saw Santa. But since they closed Dar Castle, then
They moved it all in here.
we didn't come in here last year
It's huge.
because, of course, the line was long, and we waited till the very last minute tonight. So that was awesome.
Yes.
Ho, ho, ho! That's where the fun is. Ho, ho, ho!
Oh.
Merry Christmas.